Kia ora koutou. Hi, my name is Vere.
And mā today, Winton School, I'm Brilea. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Rapara, the 16th of April.
Yes, Rāapa is Junior Kapa Haka Day this week. Please bring your kai to the hall at 12:30.
You'll eat together, then ring the bell when kani starts at 12:45.
Now for some Techie team news. There's a lunchtime meeting in room 9 at 12:30. Bring your kai.
Remember, tomorrow is a big day at Winton School. It's a gold calendar nation, Mafti Day. That's Rapara for dressing up and bring a goldie.
House captain news. Could all house captains meet Mr Wadsworth in the hall briefly at morning tea? Thank you.
Keep wearing your HI VIZ vests. Most students are wearing their HI VIZ vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, we have 4 birthdays at Winton School today. That's a record.
Happy birthday to Regan Waldron, turning 11.
Ashley Mulholland is turning 9.
Carly Sharp is now the big 7.
And Rafano Kia Koe. Ms Mines is turning 21 again.
Happy birthday to everyone. Have a great day.
Now, if you haven't already, watch the end of term sports news, some great interviews and a recap of term 1 sporting events.
And just in, some B grade rugby news. You have a game tonight. Be at Midlands at 5:30 tonight. No practice Thursday. Thank you.
Okay, that's all we have for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo.
Haere rā, Winton School.